Welcome back, guys. It's me, Mr. Frederick, once again. And such a great moment to be with y'all today. And today we're going to be talking about mass number. How to find a mass number and how to know how many neutrons are in an atom. Okay? So some of y'all may be wondering, Mr. Frederick, what is a mass number? What is that? That's a very good question. And I'm going to show you steps that can help you. Alright? So basically, a mass number, write that down here. A mass number is basically the number of protons plus the number of neutrons added together. Okay. That's basically it. That's the mass number. For example, if you have, like 8 protons plus 8 neutrons, then your mass number will be 16. Say you have 9 protons, but you have 7 neutrons, then your mass number will be 6. Well, it will still be 16 as well. Let's put a different one. Let's put 4 protons and 3 neutrons. Okay, so that will be 7 mass number. And let's give another example where we have 5 protons, but we have 6 neutrons. So that's 11 mass number. So as you can see here, there are times where the atom is a neutral atom, nice, where the number of protons and neutrons are equal. But it's not always that way. There's times when there's more protons than neutrons, like in this case, like these first 2 cases. But there's times when there is more neutrons than protons, like here in the bottom. Okay, just keep your mind and eyes open when you see those things. I don't want you thinking that, oh, there's only one way to do it. Oh, no, it's not equal, so I don't know what to do. No. If you have the number of protons plus neutrons, add them, and it'll give you the mass number. Okay? So that's how you find mass number. Now to find the number of neutrons, here's an example of oxygen. So the atomic number of oxygen is 8. And the atomic mass is 15.999. Okay? So, for our purposes today, I'm going to round that up to 16. So, the atomic mass will be 16, and the atomic number is 8. Now, how do you find the neutrons? Now, we know that the atomic mass, the mass number, we use that interchangeably, is 16. So, our mass number here is equal to 16. So our atomic number, which is the number of protons, is 8. Okay? So protons are 8. Okay? So I got that from here and I put it here. Okay? So in order for us to find the number of neutrons, we have to take the mass number and subtract it from the number of protons, the atomic number. So when we subtract 16 minus 8, it gives us the number of neutrons, which is equal to 8. Okay? Alright, so let's do another example. So say, what if there was the atomic mass, or the mass number was 20, and the number of protons was 19, for example, right? So you see, let me change that number. Let's, instead of putting 19, let's put 9. Okay, let's do that. Okay, let's put 9. Actually reverse it. I'm going to put 9 instead. Okay. What if instead you have 9? Okay. So 20 minus 9 will give us 11 neutrons. Okay. So you have 9 protons, and you have your mass number of 20. So 20 minus 9 gives us 11. So our neutrons will be 11, and in the case of oxygen here, it will be 8. Okay. So those are 2 examples of how to find your neutrons. So just a quick recap. So to find the mass number, it's just the number of protons plus the number of neutrons. When you sum them together, when you add them together, that gives us the mass number. Okay? Alright. You can also, if you sometimes it's not written, it doesn't say mass number, but you will see atomic mass. Okay, you could use that as well. Atomic mass. Alright. So when you add that together, it gives you the mass number. And then if you want to find the neutrons, you must take the mass number, subtract it from the protons, and it will give you the number of neutrons. For like example, 16 from oxygen minus 8 from the protons is equal to 8 neutrons. Okay? Alright, that's it guys. That's it for today. This is Mr. Frederick, out.